This is Inept Gardener, and this is how you ineptly carpent. Is it? I don't think that's how you say that. I'm an inept gardener, but also an inept carpenter. Alright, so new project. 13 pallets I'm gonna take home with me. Smells woody in here. Good, 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 good. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, got one. Be a lot easier with two hands. Ta-da! Alright, last one. I'm sweating. Maybe I'm just out of shape or something. So this is what we have to work with. Time to break some pallets down. I got a handy dandy hammer. There's probably better tools out there like a crowbar, but if possible, well, don't do that. Alright, I'm gonna just let you see the result. Look how good I did. What I've been doing, whacking these things from the back to get them loosened up. That's evidence right there. It didn't really work too well. You break your boards no matter what. So I had a different idea. Let me show you that one. I decided I'm gonna go with this instead. A manual tool still. I think it'll work a lot better. Blade can cut metal. So it is going through them. So even this one is not the best tool. So let me show you what might be. So it's called a sawzall. If you're not familiar with it, I mean, if you're not familiar with it, where you been? You may notice this is a wood blade. So it's not the right blade for what I want to use it for. I'm going to try it out anyways because I don't have a metal blade right now. Extension cord. One nail. This is probably the most complete board we have yet. Not quite a complete one. It was cracked when I first started working on this one. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, guys. If you want the work done right, you gotta do it yourself sometimes. You know what? It was his idea to begin with, huh? I'm getting that. Well, we got a pretty nice looking board right here. at that. That's skills right there. Changes from inept gardener to professional gardener. Butterflies. Okay. So for this part, you're gonna need tape measure, pencil. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, this is the wood. Well, thanks for watching everybody. The next video will be me cutting all these pieces to size and assembling it, and then we'll have ourselves a raised garden bed out of free wood. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good afternoon.